Selecting the best golf clubs for women can significantly impact your game, enhancing performance and confidence on the course. Today, we're diving into the top 5 ladies' golf clubs that excel in performance, design, and technology. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, these clubs offer something for everyone. Let's explore what makes each of these top picks stand out and help you find the right set for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Cobra Women's F-Max Airspeed. The Cobra Women's F-Max Airspeed golf clubs are designed with lightweight materials and innovative technology to enhance swing speed and overall performance. Ideal for golfers seeking maximum distance and ease of use, this set provides a blend of power and precision. Key features: the F-Max Airspeed set includes ultra-lightweight shafts and grips that reduce overall club weight, making it easier to generate club head speed. The low, back center of gravity helps in launching the ball higher, and the offset design helps in reducing slices. Each club is engineered to provide forgiveness and accuracy. Benefits and usage: these clubs are perfect for players looking to improve their swing speed and distance. The lightweight design helps in maintaining control while maximizing distance. They are particularly beneficial for those who struggle with slower swing speeds and need additional help with trajectory and accuracy. Usability: the Cobra F-Max Airspeed clubs are user-friendly, designed to offer a smooth and controlled swing. They are well suited for beginners and intermediate players who want to improve their game without a steep learning curve. The lightweight nature of the clubs makes them comfortable to handle and easy to use. Durability: constructed with high-quality materials, the F-Max Airspeed clubs are durable and built to withstand regular use. The club heads and shafts are designed to resist wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance with proper care and maintenance. In the second spot, we have Ping G2 Sierra Leone Leone's golf clubs. The Ping G2 Sierra Leone Leone's golf clubs are designed specifically for women, focusing on providing maximum forgiveness and consistency. This set is ideal for golfers looking for a high-performance option that combines advanced technology with a stylish design. Key features: the G2 Sierra Leone set features a lightweight construction with a high moment of inertia for increased forgiveness on off-center hits. The clubs are designed with a thinner face and enhanced perimeter weighting to improve ball speed and accuracy. The set includes a variety of clubs to cover all aspects of the game. Benefits and usage: these clubs are designed to help improve accuracy and distance. The enhanced forgiveness makes them suitable for players who may not hit the ball perfectly every time, reducing the impact of mishits. The set is ideal for those looking to gain confidence and consistency in their game. Usability: the Ping G2 Sierra Leone's clubs offer excellent ease of use, with a design that supports a smooth swing and improved ball flight. They are well suited for golfers of all skill levels, particularly those who seek a balance between performance and forgiveness. Durability: built with high-quality materials, the G2 Sierra Leone's clubs are designed to be durable and resilient. Regular use won't easily affect their performance, and with proper maintenance, these clubs will continue to deliver reliable results over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Titleist T400 Women's Irons. The Titleist T400 Women's Irons are engineered for golfers seeking powerful performance with a focus on distance and forgiveness. These irons are designed to offer a high launch and maximum distance, making them a great choice for improving overall gameplay. Key features: the T400 irons feature a wide sole and a high-tech face insert that enhances ball speed and launch. The low center of gravity helps in achieving higher ball flights, while the improved perimeter weighting increases forgiveness. The sleek design also offers a modern and professional look. Benefits and usage: these irons are ideal for players who want to boost their distance and accuracy. The advanced technology helps in achieving a higher launch and more consistent results. They are particularly beneficial for golfers looking to improve their long iron play and overall performance. Usability: the Titleist T400 irons are designed to be user-friendly, offering a comfortable and controlled swing. The forgiveness and distance-enhancing features make them suitable for a wide range of skill levels, from intermediate to advanced players. Durability. Constructed with durable materials, the T400 irons are built to last. Their robust design ensures that they withstand the rigors of regular play, maintaining their performance and appearance with proper care. Taking our fourth spot is Wilson Staff D9 Women's Golf Clubs. The Wilson Staff D9 Women's Golf Clubs are crafted to offer exceptional performance with a focus on distance and control. These clubs combine advanced technology with a sleek design, making them a great option for golfers who want to enhance their game. Key features. The D9 set features a power hole technology that maximizes ball speed and distance. The clubs are designed with a lightweight construction and an optimized weight distribution for better control and accuracy. The set includes a variety of clubs to address different aspects of the game. Benefits and usage. These clubs are ideal for players looking to improve their distance and control. The power hole technology helps in achieving greater ball speed, while the lightweight design allows for a smoother and more controlled swing. They are suitable for golfers who want to enhance their overall game performance. Usability. The Wilson Staff D9 clubs are user-friendly, offering a comfortable and efficient swing. The technology and design make them accessible for golfers of all skill levels, providing a good balance of performance and ease of use. Durability. Built with high-quality materials, the D9 clubs are designed to be durable and reliable. Regular use will not easily affect their performance, and with proper care, these clubs will continue to serve effectively over time. And finally, at number 5, we have Cleveland Launcher HB Turbo Women's Set. The Cleveland Launcher HB Turbo Women's Set is designed for golfers who seek maximum distance and forgiveness. Featuring innovative technology and a sleek design, this set provides a blend of performance and style. Key features. The Launcher HB Turbo set includes a hybrid design with a high-strength steel face and a unique shape that enhances distance and accuracy. The set features an offset design and a low center of gravity to help with higher launches and better forgiveness on off-center hits. Benefits and usage. These clubs are perfect for players who want to improve their distance and accuracy. The hybrid design and high-strength face help in achieving longer shots with more control. The forgiving nature of the clubs makes them suitable for golfers who need extra help with their game. Usability. The Cleveland Launcher HB Turbo clubs offer ease of use with a design that supports a smooth and controlled swing. They are suitable for a range of skill levels, providing performance benefits while remaining user-friendly. Durability. The clubs are made with high-quality materials, ensuring their durability and long-lasting performance. Proper maintenance will help in keeping the clubs in good condition, extending their lifespan and effectiveness. Choosing the best golf clubs can make a significant difference in your game, enhancing both performance and enjoyment on the course. The 5 sets we reviewed today offer a range of features designed to suit various needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize distance, forgiveness, or a combination of both, there's a set here to match your game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips on the best golf equipment.